How to do or how to access demo trading on ByBit. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipan Visnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can access demo trading on ByBit. While the process itself is pretty simple and easy, so let me guide you through. You can do so on the ByBit website. I'll be showing you here on the application. So the process is similar. You want to open up your wallet, right? You want to log into your account. Once you're logged in, you want to tap on the profile icon that you'll find at the top left corner here. If you are on website, you'll find it at the upper right. So on the app, you can see at the top left. Now once here, you can see the option that says security, invite friends, sub account, and you can see the demo trading option. You can simply tap on demo trading option and then you'll be access to demo trading here. Now you can go ahead and perform. You can see start trading with 100k demo assets. You can accept it. And now you can go ahead and you can perform the demo trading here. This is how you can start or access demo trading. To exit demo trading, you want to simply tap on start live trading and then you can head back and go ahead and return to your live trading account. So this is how you can access and exit out of demo trading on ByBit. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.